Welcome back to Bani Abroad. If you're new to this channel, then I make content on studying and settling abroad, which will give you an edge. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button right now. So I got a job, and for that, I'm going to get my laptop and I'm going to go there to my office and get that. I'll take you along with me. I have no clue as to the brand of the laptop and the specifications, and I'll take you back in time because I have a time machine. So let's go back to December. Look, it just snowed. It snowed a little today, and the roads are looking like this. There is no snow on the roads, but then on the pavements there is snow, and it's really cold. It's the first time in this season that I am wearing my winter jacket. It's 2 degrees Celsius today, so I thought that I should cover myself up so that I don't catch a cold. I hope the voice is clear. I have my mic attached. I am standing just beside the road. So I'm waiting for my bus. I'm going to go get my laptop. So those who watch my weekly Sawal series, they know why I am going to get a laptop. They know that I've gotten a job, so my company is providing me with a work laptop. I don't know the specifications. I don't know which laptop I'll be getting, but I just know that I'll be getting a laptop, so I'm going there. And when I come back, I'll show you the laptop. I'm really excited and curious to know what the laptop brand is, what are the specifications and all that stuff. Also, I'm really happy today because one of my clients just received an offer letter from the Schulich School of Business from the Master of Management in Artificial Intelligence program. So I'm really happy that she made it. So I'm a little extra cheerful today because of that. And if you also want to study at a top B school or university, then check my website and you can avail my services and also book a free session. Yes, you heard it right, a free 15-minute session. So get on the website and check it out. I'll see you at the site. Now I should have been in a bus, but instead I'm walking. That is fine, like walking is fine, but then I thought that the bus would come. It was showing on Google and I was standing there waiting, but now it shows no bus, so I just don't want to be dependent on that. I'm just going to walk till the subway station. That's really weird, and this is one of the struggle I face here because in my undergrad itself I stayed on campus and I had my Activa as well from the third year, but here I don't have a car, so the commute, I feel the commute is a little challenging here, and especially in the winters with snow. Of course you have well connectivity, but then I don't know, this stop always gives me a trouble, so I thought it's better that I just go to the subway and not wait for the bus which might not come. Also, I'm so glad that there's no snow on the roads. So that's good because I don't have to wear my winter boots, and I absolutely hate the pair of winter boots that I currently have. So I'm thinking that when I'll get my first salary, that is one of the things that I have to buy, because when I wear those winter boots, then my feet start aching. So that's really painful. And that was the size that I got, because if I went a size lower, then it wouldn't fit me. If I went a size higher, then there would be a lot of empty space. So I don't know, I'll get another brand and I'll invest in a good pair of winter boots. And my advice is that you also invest in a good one when you come, because they are going to save you from a lot of slips. If you will be wearing your normal boots, then you might slip and might even injure yourself. So it's really important to invest in a good pair of winter boots. Now I'm sheltered from the cold wind. I'm walking through the hallway of York University, and I have to take one subway, then I have to take one bus, and then I have to walk 12 minutes. So it's going to take some time, but when I'll get back home, I'll show you the laptop. So stay tuned. It looks so barren. When it's full of snow, then it's a beautiful sight, but when it's like this, the snow is drying up
and it looks very barren and dull. I got my laptop. I'll show you when I get back home. So see you there. Bye. And it's this cold.
Now I'm home with my laptop and it's not that day, it's a lot of days down the road. And earlier I was thinking, should I post that video? But I think I should, and I hope that it was fun for you. So no more suspense, just grabbing my laptop. Where is it? My laptop is this. It's ThinkPad, Lenovo's ThinkPad, and I'm going to use this for my work. And I did not know what I was going to get. This is exciting, and my work is work from home until March or even until June, depending on the situation. And this home that I'm currently in, so the lease is going to expire in Feb, and in March I'll be moving to a new place. I'm really excited for that, so I'll keep you updated of what's all happening. I really hope that I get a wonderful place and I get a good deal on it. So let's see. So that's the story. Also on my way, I happened to see my office, like just from outside. I couldn't go inside. It's fine. I hope my first month was in office so that I could get to meet people and create a rapport with them. But it's all right. It's COVID, so I am glad that they have given this option and it's safe. And for those of you who are interested in watching my journey of getting a job, then I've made a video on that, so you can find that here, and also I'll put that in the description box so you can watch that. I hope this was a fun video for you, but for me, I had to wait for the bus and I do not have a car yet. And it's work from home, so I don't need my car. It's just those 1 or 2 days in like 2 or 3 months that I feel, oh damn, I wish I had a car. But that's not from my heart. It's just like for that day I had a car. So when I think that I do need a car, I'll buy it, and of course I'll tell you all about it. So thank you so much for staying tuned throughout my journey here in Canada. Sending lots of love for you all, and if you like this video, then I'm pretty sure that you would like this and this video as well. And now you know the drill. If you think that this was a different kind of fun video, then please do hit that like button and smash that subscribe button, and not to forget that bell icon as well. Until my next video, take care and stay happy. Bye.